It's like teaching, facilitate, and take over control. There's only by everyone, and the one who can understand like everyone.
You're good. Challenge you?
Yeah. It's letting people understand something rather than telling them something. So you can have a teacher, so I guess it's a role a little bit past a teacher where they help you understand rather than telling you what to understand. And basically, by teaching them the learning process, more of like that learning process to achieve the end goal, if you will.
Yeah, if you look at the wording, what is a learning coach coaching? Learning. And learning happens at everyone, kind of like we were talking about earlier, at our own pace. You can't just shove it down someone's throat. A lot of times we have to learn it for ourselves and experience it for ourselves to really learn it. But knowing how to create those conditions for learning to happen and to motivate and encourage that. What example did you guys come up with? Did you guys discuss one? Or can you think of one off the top of your head?
Yeah, well, we talked about you. How you're a good learning coach rather than a teacher, where you help others understand things for themselves rather than tell them what to understand.
Appreciate that. It does go back to the whole, good catch. Good. It does go back to the whole lens idea that we did with Kelsey and Amber. It's hard to put that learning on and say, yeah, here, learn it for yourself, and put those glasses on. Okay, let's come up here with connecting link.
So, we talked about how there's a lot that can go to the connecting link because there is the educational aspect of it, as a mentor, being connected to campus, resources, other mentors and teachers that are available to help students. And then there is the recreational side of it, helping students connect in a social atmosphere, making friends and relying on each other. And then you as a mentor, connecting to that student or that group of people and helping them feel like they have a place. And so a simple definition that we came up with, because we do believe that the connecting link has to be also living that lifestyle. He needs to be showing those people around him the links and the things that he has to offer other people. And so we decided that a connecting link is somebody who exemplifies and shows other people how to take advantage of educational and recreational learning experiences. And we think that there is learning on both sides.
Thank you. Kelsey, would you like to add anything?
Mo was just a really good connecting link for me.
Mo?
Yeah, it's great. My 1000 class, I missed it a lot because of where I would come late, and he would help me keep caught up in the class and help me with school stuff. But then he also invited me to everything outside of class and the party we had. So he was a really good connecting link.
That's good. We'll have to tell him. Mo is, we love Mo. He's a very humble guy too. Thank you. Trusted friend.
Okay. The definition is a mentor is committed to developing a relationship with students that extends beyond the classroom setting. So I think it's more genuine because I think it's the most genuine because you actually take the time to get to know them, and you take time out of, like, let's just say, like, the class that you have to go to, like it's more than that, and they first see you as a trusted friend. So before any of these things, before you can truly become this, it's a trusted friend first, and that gives you more leverage on the information that they give you to help them. And what else did we say?
settings or something.
Oh, okay. So, and I think like, a trusted friend as a mentor, what am I trying to say? My mind's going blank. It's, you're more likely to tell a trusted friend things than you are, let's say, a teacher or somebody you perceive as like a pre-teacher or a mentor. But if they're your trusted friend, for example, if you have like a science class and you didn't fully finish your project on time, and you kind of like maybe BS'd a little bit of it.
Never happens.
Never
Never.
happens, right? But you,
Sorry.
but you wouldn't really necessarily tell the teacher that because he's grading you on it, right? And the mentor, you may be scared